The Sydney Opera House is one of the most iconic and celebrated architectural landmarks in the world. Nestled on Bennelong Point in Sydney Harbour, it serves as both a symbol of Australia and a marvel of human ingenuity. This narrative delves into the history, construction, and fascinating facts about this globally renowned masterpiece. Origins and early history. The story of the Sydney Opera House began in the late 1940s when Eugene Goossens, the director of the New South Wales State Conservatorium of Music, envisioned a world-class venue for opera and performing arts in Sydney. The city's existing facilities were inadequate for the growing demand for cultural events. In 1954, New South Wales Premier Joseph Cahill championed the idea, leading to an international design competition announced in 1956. The competition attracted 233 entries from 32 countries. In January 1957, Danish architect Jørn Utzon's innovative design was declared the winner. His concept featured soaring, sail-like shells, which not only captured the spirit of Sydney Harbour, but also presented a futuristic vision of modern architecture. Utzon's design was groundbreaking but also controversial, as it defied conventional engineering and architectural norms. Construction challenges. Construction began in 1959, and from the outset, the project faced numerous challenges. The ambitious design posed unprecedented engineering hurdles. The iconic roof shells, which were originally envisioned as parabolic structures, required years of experimentation and innovation to become a reality. Engineers, led by Ove Arup, eventually developed a solution by modeling the shells as segments of a sphere. This breakthrough made the construction feasible. Delays and cost overruns plagued the project. Initially estimated to cost $7 million and take 4 years to complete, the Opera House ended up costing $102 million and took 14 years to build. Funding came from a series of state-run lotteries, a move that proved popular and effective in rallying public support. The political environment surrounding the project was turbulent. In 1966, Jørn Utzon resigned under pressure due to disagreements with the government and mounting criticism. His departure led to changes in the design and a bitter legacy, as he never returned to see the completed structure. Grand opening and early years. The Sydney Opera House officially opened on October 20th, 1973, in a ceremony attended by Queen Elizabeth II. The event featured a spectacular fireworks display and performances by prominent artists, marking the beginning of its role as a cultural beacon. The building consists of multiple performance spaces, including the Concert Hall, Opera Theatre, now Joan Sutherland Theatre, Drama Theatre, Playhouse, and Studio. These venues host a wide array of events, from opera and ballet to concerts and theatrical productions. Despite the controversies and challenges during its construction, the Opera House quickly became an emblem of Sydney and Australia. Its striking silhouette against the backdrop of Sydney Harbour Bridge and the skyline made it an instant favourite among locals and tourists alike. Architectural and cultural significance. The Sydney Opera House is a masterpiece of modernist architecture. Its design combines functionality with artistic vision, harmonizing with its natural surroundings. The roof shells, often compared to sails or waves, create a dynamic and organic form that changes appearance with the shifting light and weather. In 2007, the Sydney Opera House was inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage List. It was recognized for its outstanding universal value, described as a great artistic monument and an icon of 20th century architecture. Amazing facts. Design inspiration. Jørn Utzon drew inspiration from various sources, including Mayan and Aztec architecture, nature, and the sails of ships. The final spherical solution for the roof was reportedly inspired by peeling an orange. Roof tiles. The Opera House's roof is covered with over 1 million tiles made in Sweden. These tiles, in a blend of matte and glossy finishes, give the structure its shimmering quality. Acoustics. The concert hall is renowned for its exceptional acoustics, achieved through meticulous design and the use of acoustic panels made from laminated white birch. A green initiative. The Opera House is committed to sustainability. In 2018, it achieved carbon-neutral certification, becoming a leader in environmentally responsible operations. Structural feats. The roof shells weigh about 27 funtes, 130 tons, and are supported by massive concrete ribs. The entire structure is held together by 350 kilometers of steel cable. Unfinished business. Jørn Utzon was re-engaged in 1999 as a design consultant for future renovations. Although he never returned to Australia, his Utzon room in the Opera House reflects his original vision. Performance milestones. Since its opening, the Sydney Opera House has hosted over 100,000 performances, attracting more than 8 million visitors annually. It's a hub for diverse cultural events, from classical music and dance to contemporary festivals. Icon in pop culture. The Opera House has appeared in countless films, TV shows, and photographs, cementing its status as a global icon. It's often used as a backdrop for New Year's Eve fireworks and other major events. Color illusions. Despite appearing white, the roof tiles are actually a subtle mix of white and cream, designed to minimize glare from the sun. Economic contribution. The Opera House contributes over $1 billion annually to the Australian economy, highlighting its importance beyond cultural significance. The human touch. The Sydney Opera House is more than a building. It's a living, breathing space that connects people through art and culture. It's a testament to human creativity and determination, embodying the triumph of vision over adversity. Today, it stands as a beacon of inspiration, reminding the world of the possibilities that emerge when ambition and innovation intersect. The Sydney Opera House is not just a symbol of Australia. It's a universal icon of artistic expression and architectural excellence.